Why do other factories make top-quality filters with the same raw materials, while yours keep getting returned due to oil and air leaks? Today, as an insider in this industry, I will reveal the 3 most serious, fatal mistakes in filter production. If you are planning to start this business or expand your production capacity, make sure you watch all the way through. First is inaccurate thread tapping. Many factories still use manual alignment. One small shake of the hand leads to a high rate of defective products. Take our CCD Vision automatic tapping machine for example. It can automatically locate holes with error controls at the micron level. Always remember, stable production is the biggest profit for a factory. Second, uneven pressing pressure. Tiny gaps, invisible to the naked eye, will cause serious safety accidents after installation. Every product on our production line goes through fully automatic airtightness testing after pressing. Any leaking product will be removed right away. With such strict standards, you can confidently take large, international export orders. Third, poor precision in filter, paper folding, and glue dispensing. Too much glue wastes costs, while too little glue causes the filter paper to fall off easily. Don't overlook these small details. The money saved on glue in 1 year could even buy you a whole new machine. Choosing the right equipment means you've already won half the battle in factory operation. If you want to set up this high-efficiency production line or ask for detailed equipment quotations, just comment the letter P below or reach out to me via the contact information shown at the bottom. Hi, I'm Roy, bringing you professional industrial equipment insights.